Just picked up my little baby boy. Look at him. Look how big he's gotten. Scooper. Hey, Kong. Ryan. Hello. Can you say hello? Hello. So today at school, it's a blue day, so he's dressed head to toe, kind of, in the color blue. So, super cute. Look at him. I think they also put a shirt on top of him as well. Just to, yeah, hello! To match with everyone. So that's super cute. Hi, 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 hi. What's hot? Hi. Oh my gosh. Time does fly. Okay, so, Brian's like trying to finish up an email. I'm gonna pick up some food and head back home. Chill. Today is Chill Friday. And, we have a few hours with this guy every single day after school. Hey! Hey! What is he staring into space for? Oh my goodness. Okay, we're having dinner, lunch. And Scooper's super shy still. Come on. Come on, baby.
Versus the other one, which is more like
Hi.
15 million. But the problem with the 15 million is I don't even know if I can support that, right?
Goodness. Big boy.
Alright, well.
Bye, sweetheart. They're going for a jog right now. And Mama's going to go to the supermarket and get some fruits. It's going to be a long weekend. Bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you. So now we have dinner. Healthy eats. Num nums. End of the night. Brian's working and I'm trying to get him to go to bed because tomorrow's gonna be a long day to help my friend take care of Scooper. Weekend's gonna be brutal. Oh, by the way, all this white hair, you're welcome.
Yeah, it's all from you.
You're welcome. They say you're more wise with white hair.
I don't feel it.
Don't you want to charge that?
No, I thought it lasts forever.
Good night, guys. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Ooh, where'd you get your moves from? That's from one of Scooper's video. Oh my gosh, okay, good night.